Is McAfee showing annoying pop-ups you never asked for? In this video, I'll show you how to completely remove McAfee Virus Scan from your computer the right way with no leftover files. Let's start by manually uninstalling McAfee through Control Panel. Press Windows plus R to open the run dialog box. Type appwizcpl and press Enter. Look for McAfee product like McAfee LiveSafe, McAfee Security Scan Plus, or McAfee WebAdvisor. Right-click on it and choose Uninstall. Now follow the uninstallation wizard to manually remove McAfee. Manually uninstalling McAfee can often leave behind residual files. So let's use McAfee's official removal tool to completely remove any leftover files and other components remaining. Open your preferred web browser and go to the official McAfee support site. Type www.mcafee.com/support. In the search bar, type MCPR and hit Enter. Now look for a page titled something like How to Uninstall Your McAfee Products from Windows PC. Scroll down and select the option to remove using McAfee Consumer Product Removal Tool. Scroll down further and click on the download link to get to the tool. Now to run the CPR tool, open the executable file you just downloaded. On execution, the files will be extracted. Click Next to start the process. Read and accept the end user license agreement. And click Next. On the next screen, type in the captcha code exactly as shown to verify you are not a robot. And click Next. Do the same for the next few pages with captcha code. When done, the removal process will begin automatically. You'll see a progress bar showing which McAfee components are being removed. All residual and leftover files from McAfee will be removed. When the tool finishes, you'll see a message like Removal Complete. Click Restart to finish the process. To confirm McAfee is gone, press Ctrl+Shift+Escape to open Task Manager. And check for any running McAfee process. They should be gone also. You can also choose to confirm from the control panel. Press Windows plus R and type appwizcpl and press Enter. Under the Programs and Features section, no McAfee software should be listed. And that's it. You've now completely removed McAfee from your computer. No pop-ups, no background processes, and no leftover files.